veteran, old man, whatever you are. See, age is nothing but a number. It's your experience, your exposure, your intelligence, and your sense of reasoning that makes you an elder, that makes you get respect. Respect is reciprocal. Yo, Bobrisky is a human being. I don't give two fucks if he's a man, a woman, or anything, or crossbreed. You can't go around telling people who should be in the films or who they should cast or who they shouldn't cast. Fucking produce your own film. And if you're not gonna produce, then shut the fuck up and face your work. Mind your business and face your career. Yo, Bobrisky is a human being and he has basic human rights. So don't go around making fucking stupid videos trying to look for attention or what the fuck you're looking. I don't even want to know. Do you understand me? Just leave Bobrisky alone. Leave him. Just, yo, fucking mind your business, bitch.
You will carry Bobrisky put for fame. Now the same punishment you go to give Bobrisky, and the same punishment you will give you. Don't the way no get direction go fire on that too. So you like putting the two. Carry himself turn to woman, they bleach. Come begin sponsor colony of gay men. They give young boys money to become gay. They turn themselves to woman. Kai, movie industry, greedy. Una fit do anything because of money. Even the one wake up no like. Oh, chai. Don't the way they go Cotonou go divert. Fire all of in the way they do this type of thing. Everybody na sin about no be this type of sin. Where person know they do. Kai. Oh, this world is rigorous, man. Shit.